Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I've woken up a bit early because today I'm excited for traveling, and today we are going to one of the places where I have not been before. The name of the place is Chhabi Mura. We'll be leaving now. It's almost 9. Should have been already left by now, but still we'll try to make it up in the road. So all dressed up. It's almost 9. I'm gonna pick up a friend of mine right now. So today joining me one of my closest friend who would be accompanying me to the trip to Chhabi Mura, and that is কত লেট করছি সিট বেল্ট পর ঠিক আছে চলো I think this is the first
This is the
trip.
first time.
This is
we
the
have
first
taken
trip
together.
that we have taken together
Yeah,
after so many years.
yeah.
So, কেমন লাগতেছে?
I mean, I haven't explored like despite being in Agartala or being in Tripura, I haven't explored much, which is very strange. But it's nice that we are going to this place, and I've heard a lot of good things about the place. And
This is actually my first time that I am traveling to
Chhabi Mura.
I have not explored it yet, and of course, I mean it's really strange.
And I've seen the pictures; they're like really nice. Like in terms of how the whole place is, the vibes.
I just expect
Yeah.
that it does not get hot out there.
I expect it not to be crowded too much.
I expect it not to be crowded.
Yeah, and given that now Corona is going, hopefully
People will be less.
yeah, hopefully.
So guys, just stopped here for a quick chai break. Let's see what we got here. So guys, first stop here in Bisramganj with chai and samosa, all sorted. So cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to it. Cheers to our first trip.
Yeah.
This is amazing. The chai is amazing. Kya it?
Absolutely. I think there's a lot of. It feels like it's made with milk, not with water.
Totally with milk.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
It's not watered down.
But I think it's bit sugary, ekটু sweetness
It's
beshi.
on the little sweeter side.
On the little sweeter side, but it's good. Samosa is excellent, I think. No?
Pretty big also for its size.
So quick update. Right now, it's 11.
Yeah. 11,
And how many kilometers more left
52.
to go? 52, yeah, 52 more kilometers left to go. I think we'll reach there by 12. We'll target to at least to reach there by 12. We had an awesome
Yeah,
tea here.
yeah, it was nice.
It was really nice. So without further ado, let's get going and we'll see you in the spot.
Nice trip, man. I think we have covered the parts where it was too much traffic, and now it seems like smooth sailing.
2 years ago, this road was not this well maintained.
Yeah.
Traveling to Udaipur would have taken like around 3 hours almost.
Right.
But এখন রাস্তা এত বড় হওয়া, this journey is even very smooth. And
Yeah, I think like look at the road. It's like pretty. I would say like very smooth. And I can't see any bumps or any sort of the potholes that you would expect
yeah.
in an Indian road. And that's one of I think one of the very good developments that has happened in the past. That's nice.
But this year, man, we should make sure that we explore a lot.
Yeah. I think that's the only one good thing that came out of this whole horrible situation that we find ourselves in.
I got to spend a lot of family time.
Yeah, same here. I think since 2011, this is the first time that I'm staying at home for like more than
Such
3
a
months
long
at a stretch.
year.
Yeah. Some good things came out of the year, and the year is finally ending. Hopefully 2021 will be in a much better situation. All vaccines and everything coming out. Let's hope. But let's end the year on a high.
তো আমরা নেক্সট ট্রিপটির মধ্যে আস্তে আস্তে আমরা অন্য বন্ধুরাও ইনভাইট করা উচিত।
Yeah. Like let's take the
Otherwise মানে এটা পোস্ট করার পরে সবাই এরপরে কবে আমরা লই গেছে নাকি যায়।
I think let's this is like a maiden test run. This works out. All
If
good.
this works out good.
Yeah.
Now that everyone is here. তো
Good
সবাই
time.
মিলে একটা ট্রিপ করা উচিত।
একদম একদম
রাস্তাটা দেখা, এদিক দিয়ে সোজা না?
pretty much straight.
ও এই জায়গাটা মনে হয়, দাঁড়া, এই জায়গাটা মনে হয় মাতাবাড়ির রাস্তাটা। ওকে, তো কত কিলোমিটার বাকি আর?
37.
1 hour 20 minutes more to go, so let's get going. দেখ তানিয়া, তানিয়া, হাউ আর ইউ? এর মধ্যে একটা ওই ইয়ে করলাম যায় না, টান টানা। এই রাস্তাটা অনেকটা ভালো আছে না আগেরটার থেকে?
আগেরটার থেকে ভালো, but what we expected is totally nothing like that.
Nothing like that. I mean, for a stretch,
It was nice, yeah.
the road was really bad. But right now, I think the road is quite
It's
good.
much
It's
better,
quite
it's much
comfortable
better,
right now.
yeah. As you can see, much better than before. Unfortunately, we don't have footage from the really bad parts. It was totally
maybe
unintentional.
Yeah, unintentional. Maybe while going back, we'll try to record
Yeah,
that.
yeah. And we have got some nice Bengali music in the car.
Oh yeah. What kind of music do you like?
I generally like music depending on the mood. Like I like trance when I'm partying or maybe when I'm traveling.
So basically, like when I'm traveling or in a car driving, in those cases, I would be basically hearing party songs,
Right,
and I really like those songs when I'm driving.
right. What kind of songs do you listen to when you are like
Hello.
lifting weights and doing your cardio and stuff? Because you are a very health conscious person.
Dude, actually, you know what? I don't really listen to music much when I'm working out.
Really?
Yeah, I don't really listen to music that much. Sometimes what I really try to listen, maybe some podcast, I would try to listen when I'm working out.
You listen to podcasts when you're working out?
Yeah, I listen to
That's-
podcast or sometime slow music. I think
Okay.
slow music is one of those genre which I try to listen when I'm working out, but not regularly.
Okay.
It's some kind of a, like once in a blue moon I'll try to listen,
Right.
because what I feel that whenever you are lifting weights, you should do it very slowly,
Okay.
and that slow beat kind of drives it,
Okay.
drives that particular rep. Each rep you do it a bit slowly with some kind of tinge of feel.
Okay. But এটা
What
খুব
is this shit
surprise.
doing?
Yeah, we have got a big
What is this shit doing out
lorry in
here?
front of us, and there is some kind of jam. It's trying to come back and pretty much hit us, I guess.
Dude.
I think traffic is catching up. It's almost 10 minutes past 12 now. Aim to reach Chobimura by 12.
30.
Yeah, I think 10, 12. But it's খুব surprising that you listen to very slow beat and
Yeah, I listen to slow beat when
because
I'm working
generally
out.
if you go to a gym, তারা একদম full pumping bass music.
pumping bass থাকে।
Yeah.
No, I don't enjoy that when I'm working out. I enjoy that when I'm driving.
Okay. Makes sense.
But when I'm working out, I would rather listen to slow music. Sometimes
This
no
is-
music.
This is beautiful now where we are
Oh
at.
God, this is seriously
Looks really amazing.
seriously amazing.
And it's pretty cold winds here. So we are about 14 kilometers out now.
রাস্তাটা এতই পাতলা, এটা আরেকটা গাড়ি যদি আইতো পয়সা দিতাম বলে। Shit, কইতে না কইতে
Here it comes.
কইতে আয়া পড়ছে। এদিক দিয়ে যামু কেমনে আমি?